See how the green shaded area and the red line follow a similar pattern? This tells the story of one of the biggest successes of the COVID pandemic. Early on, public health experts found that trends in COVID concentration in the wastewater is strongly associated with community spread. Wastewater spikes were visible before surges in people going to the hospital. Santa Clara County is at the forefront of this effort. But how do we know wastewater is such a strong predictive tool? The story is in the data. The dashboard of COVID cases against wastewater provided this key comparison. The green shaded area shows daily COVID case counts, meaning positive laboratory-based testing results that are reported to the public health department. The red line shows the concentration of COVID in wastewater. When someone is infected, the virus shows up in their poop and makes its way to wastewater treatment facilities throughout Santa Clara County. This means that these infections are detected even if people don't receive a COVID test. When the top of the shaded area matches up with the red line, that shows there's a strong correlation between cases and wastewater levels. See how closely the two line up from the start of the pandemic through the Omicron wave of 2022? But when lab-based testing declined in favor of at-home tests, COVID case data were no longer an accurate metric to track the transmission of COVID in the community. By that point, wastewater had proven to be the most reliable indicator of how much COVID is in the community. Just like checking the traffic in the morning to decide which route to take, wastewater data can help you make informed decisions to protect your health. Monitoring the COVID concentration in wastewater allows public health and healthcare leaders to determine appropriate actions to keep patients, employees, and the community healthy. Things like masking in indoor crowded places and vaccination. Wastewater remains a critical public health tool today. That's why wastewater monitoring has expanded in Santa Clara County to track the transmission of other respiratory viruses, like flu and RSV. For more data from public health, visit sccphd.org/data.